Here's 10 ways managing your data on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform can help you modernize your product development workflow. Any digital transformation has to be centered around the cloud. The 3DEXPERIENCE is a cloud-based platform that's ready to use with minimal configuration and can be accessed on any device, ensuring you and your team are productive right away. No servers to buy, no IT to manage, just a secure single source of truth for managing design data, tasks, communication, and changes. There are a lot of cloud storage solutions out there for documents. What's critical is to have one that's engineering aware, one that understands the relationships between drawings, parts, and assemblies. With the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, document management is integrated in Solidworks. When you're ready to add your design, just save it. You can organize the data however you want and access it from any web browser, making part numbers, descriptions, and previews available to the whole business. Understanding the impact of a change and capturing the revision can be challenging to say the least. For more and more companies, a revision note on a drawing just doesn't cut it anymore. You need access to powerful where used capabilities that help inform decision-making about the impact of the change. And when a change is required, you'll have the confidence that the old revision can be retrieved at any time. The one thing about product development that no one likes is the bookkeeping. Pulling part numbers, filling out title blocks, creating PDFs, it all takes a lot of time. You need tools that automate common activities like creating part numbers that are automatically added to the bill of material and creating common deliverables like PDFs, all so you can stay focused on what you love, innovating. With the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, anyone in the company with the right permissions can easily search, find, and consume product data. It's easy to see the status of design components as well as who owns them. And users can contribute directly to the product definition by updating design properties, even if they don't have Solidworks. Modernizing your product development process requires moving beyond email and phone calls. You need tools that allow you and your team to simply be @mentioned directly on the model in question. No email threads, attachments, or lost history. When the conversation needs to be more immediate, integrated chat and screen sharing expedite design feedback. 3D is the tool for visualizing and developing products, so it only makes sense to extend the benefits of 3D to everyone in the organization. Digital markup in a browser allows new ideas to be sketched directly on the model, and annotations can be added to further convey intent. And the best part? The final markup is accessible directly in Solidworks. Action and accountability are important elements of any product design process, and tasks are a convenient way of achieving both. Assignees, descriptions, and due dates can all be included in an easy-to-use interface. Status can be tracked through a dashboard, and supporting content can be easily dragged and dropped onto the task. Whether you're on the web or inside of SolidWorks, it's easy to access the task and execute the activity. Whether it's the next big idea or a challenge from the field that needs to be addressed, having a formal way for anyone in the company to capture feedback is crucial. Issues are a powerful tool for capturing, prioritizing, and processing incoming requests. Feedback can be associated directly to model data and visualized for clarity with a simple drag and drop. Let's face it, not every idea is a good one, and not every request for a change is actionable. But for those that are, you can transition issues directly to a change action with a single click. Assignees can be added, impacted designs attached, and starting revisions automatically generated. And in the end, full traceability of everyone's approval. With fast deployment, powerful tools, and the flexibility you expect from the cloud, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is the key to modernizing your product development process.